Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to register for Checkpoint when you're off campus or you don't have an account and you need to re-register or register. So you want to go to the USC Aiken homepage and you'll want to scroll down until you get to the Greg Graniteville Library. Click. Now we're at the Greg Graniteville Library. Go to Research and scroll down till you get to the A to Z list and click on the A to Z list. Then go to C. Once you're under C, you're given two choices for Checkpoint. Use the second one for off-campus registration. Takes a second to load, and you will want to follow these easy 3 steps. Email validation. Please use your student email address that the university gives you. Checkpoint's going to want to see that you have a .edu account to give you a free access, so you'll want to use your USC Aiken email account. Then you'll key in your information and license agreement. You'll agree to that, and they'll also ask you if you're not a robot, so you'll be checking that. Then you'll get an email, and your email will have your username and temporary password and a link to Checkpoint. Click on the link and change your password. Do this right away as soon as you register, okay? Change your password. Then I encourage you to save Checkpoint login as a favorites on your toolbar. That way you can come back to Checkpoint quickly. You could also just keep the email handy and go to the email and use the link there, but I think this is, a couple seconds worth of work and certainly easier that way. And to give you an idea of what you'll see once you're in Checkpoint, for those that are possibly using this for the first time, this is what it'll look like. If you have any questions, please email me.